Now we have to go show Mommy because Mommy has no idea I was doing this. So today we're celebrating Leilani's birthday. How old are you, Leilani?
7.
She's turning 7. And Daddy's going to try to give her a cute hairstyle. She wants it to stand straight up. Of course, we can use gel and make this stiff, but then it'll flop over like that. What do? Fortunately for Leilani, her daddy is also known as the Terrace Balloon Man, which means he has some balloon gear. See these? What if we took one of them and put it under her hair like this, and of course made it shorter. And that should help hold it up. We're gonna see how well that works. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done one of these before. I don't know if it's going to work. We're just having fun with it. Look at this, look at this. First I'm gonna take this out. Lots of gel in it.
Sounds like somebody farted.
Now we gotta decide how high we want this stick to go. Okay, so we went kind of like to there. Watch your fingers.
Do we need that side, that side?
We need the short side. Okay, let's try this a different way. Let me brush this all up and then try to...
This is a bad idea.
Hey, but you know what? If we can pull it off, Mommy's gonna be so surprised because I didn't tell Mommy that we were doing this. It is so annoying working with hair. I'm so glad I'm not a hairstylist. We can never do a hairstyling channel, that's for sure. Oh.
Frosted tips. You want that?
Frosted tips.
You want that?
Hey, stop moving, stop moving. I need you to hold still for this part. Because this is where I lose the hair. I want a little tuft of hair sitting at the top.
That's perfect.
Is that perfect?
Yeah.
Well, she likes it, so I guess we're gonna have to go with it.
Last. Use the last.
Yeah, that one is. So she's either Lindy Lou Who or Princess Poppy.
Princess Poppy.
You're Princess Poppy?
You have flowers.
Well, wait, we're not done yet, we're not done yet. I'm not too happy with the results, but you know what? She likes it and it's her birthday.
Princess Poppy.
Now we have to go show Mommy because Mommy has no idea I was doing this. Okay, now turn around.
Princess Poppy.
Oh, very cute. That is adorable. So what did you put in your
Come
hair?
closer.
Oh, you cut one of those down to size and put it in?
Yeah, one of these, upside down, on her head.
That is awesome. Did you record yourself doing it?
I did record myself doing it. It's like going to be a parody of the cute girl's hairstyle. If only it would stay tight like that though, but it always loosens.
You'd have to like...
The only thing is she can't wear it when she's in there with the other kids, I think, because if some kid falls on her, they could lose an eye.
So who are you, Leilani?
Princess Poppy.
We gotta take with the balloon out of your mouth.
No, who are you?
Princess Poppy.
Princess Poppy.
This is probably very cute.